My name is Renee Gavic, and I am head of school here at Visitation. At Viz, girls take center stage in every area. We believe in and are committed to single-gender education for girls in grades 6 through 12, which provides leadership opportunities, fosters self-confidence, and empower our young women to be the best versions of themselves. At Viz, we believe in the limitless potential of our girls, and we know how girls learn best. We're excited to share more about the Visitation difference at our upcoming open house. And now I'd like to introduce Dr. Anna Barter, who will tell you more about Visitation's programs.
As Director of Upper School Visitation, I am proud to tell you more about our academic and co-curricular programs at Visitation as well as our students. Families choose Visitation because we offer a well-rounded and rigorous college preparatory program. In each discipline, we offer advanced placement and honors courses, and more than half of our upper school students take advantage of these offerings each and every year. Families also choose Visitation because the education that they receive extends well beyond the walls of a classroom. Here at Visitation, students have a variety of venues in which they can take risks. Some might find their niche at the school by participating in student-led clubs such as student government, investment club, mock trial, and the newspaper. Others might take part in the Students of Color Society, Women Activists, or Life Club. More than 85% of our upper school students take part in one or more of our 13 athletic programs at Visitation, including sports such as soccer, swimming, hockey, and cross country. Other students find their voice at Visitation by taking part in band, orchestra, or theater. Vista Production stages a work each and every season, allowing students to try out for a play. I think the most important reason that families choose Visitation is because the girls genuinely love it here. Although many might worry about attending an all-girls school at the outset, they soon realize that there are so many benefits of it. Let's hear from Ella about the reasons for which she chose Visitation's upper school.
I chose Viz because of the all-girls environment. There is no other high school in Minnesota which has the unique goal of empowering the next female leaders. I love that Viz gives me the opportunity to explore many areas of interest, from sports like soccer and track to the school newspaper. Thank you for joining us today. We can't wait to meet you at our open house.